Hey my YouTube fam, welcome back to my channel. Let's make sausage, pepper and onions. This is such a popular Italian-American recipe which takes only 20 minutes to make. Perfect weeknight dinner when you are tired and want to get something fast cooking for your kids. So you simply begin by heating olive oil in a skillet and adding your chopped chicken sausages to it. Now ideally Italian sausages are used, but here I'm using chicken sausages. Just toasting them lightly in the skillet helps them get beautifully golden brown and gets them perfectly caramelized, which releases a lot of flavors. Once this is done, dump them in a sheet pan along with your chopped bell peppers and onions. Now drizzle some olive oil, season with cajun seasoning, red wine vinegar, marinara sauce, red pepper flakes and some salt and pepper. Simply toss everything and bake it at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. And this is it guys. Just serve this as is or drizzle some sriracha on top for that extra kick. And just dig in. This has only 284 calories per serving with 11 grams of protein, 13 grams of carbs and just 8 grams of healthy fat. You can serve this inside hoagie rolls or over a bed of rice, and this is such a healthy, wholesome recipe. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for such more healthy and easy delicious recipes, and have a great day.